Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. Lipstick on my teeth? No. Okay. I'm going to film this box. This is my Ipsy Glam Bag, BOXYCHARM for January. I am also watching a playoff game. BOXYCHARM, a clean slate. Oh, so this is going to be interesting. Oh, got some serums in here. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we've got going on. First thing, I'll just go in order of how they are in the box. Alfalfa and Glaze Long Wearing Hyper Glow Primer by Seraphine Botanicals. Completely sealed. Like in plastic right here. So yeah. Sealed for safety. Very nice. Ultra Hyper Glow. I wonder if that leaves like a sheen or what does it do? No parabens, phthalates, alfalfa with alfalfa ashwagandha. Oh, cruelty free and vegan. Nice. Okay. Okay. All right. Next is Deep Serum Noto Face and Neck Serum Multi-Use Natural Universally Sexy. This looks like a full size. This is the packaging. Noto Deep Serum. There we go. Let's check it out. In a dropper. Ooh. Okay. Nice. Face and neck serum. So what does it target, I wonder? Grapeseed oil, Rosa canina, grapeseed oil, rose hip oil, marula seed oil. Very nice. Buckthorn oils. These are the first few ingredients, okay? Grapefruit peel oil, coffee seed oil, carrot seed oil, rosemary extract, sunflower seed oil, and citral limonene. Very nice. Okay, I'm excited to try this. What? Okay. Okay, let's start it fresh. Okay, let's start it fresh. And this is Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Perfume Travel Spray. Okay. Very simple packaging. Very, basic. Let's see what this is a nice size travel though. Okay. It's the middle of the day. I just got up and showered. I took a 2-hour nap. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Is there a scent on here? Nouvelle Amie. Clean luxury product. Nouvelle Amie. A new girl? Oh, I am so sorry. That is a spray. All right, well, let's see what she sprays like. Okay. Now, I did put a different scented body oil on today, so it may be mixing with that, but it actually smells really nice. It is kind of fruity and florally at the same time. It smells good. I will have to try this. I will be using all my perfumes this year. I think I'll do one a week. Just wear it out. Every day that week, wear a certain scent, go through all of them, and then reset my perfumes next year. We'll see. All right, Roller Lash by Benefit. This looks like, is this a mascara? This is a mascara. Okay, you know I love a good mascara. You know I love a good mascara. We are wearing Charlotte Tilbury today. Legendary lashes, of course. Just a quick little something. I'm not going to open it, but this is cute packaging. By Benefit. This is cute packaging. Is that backwards? Yep. Roller Lash. This is rubberized, which I like that because it's easier to hold because this is really slick plastic. If you're doing your makeup and then putting your mascara on, you want something that you can hold on to. So yeah, I think I have like unused, unopened I think this makes my 4th tube. I don't throw them away after 3 months. I throw them away when they're so dry I can't get anything else out of the tube. And if they stay moist and there's still like product coming out, I'm still going to use it. So it's going to be a minute before I get to this, but I will. We'll see. It has like a very convincing picture on the back. We'll see. And last but not least, Wander Beauty in Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, also very simple packaging, just, you know, no frills or anything. It is taped closed. Let's see. I didn't bother to get my, oh, oops, cut the box. I didn't bother to get my knife out of my purse because it's in another room, and I wanted to hurry up and film this before this game got too intense. It's kind of intense right now, but we're just going to think positive. Go Texans. Playing the Chiefs right now, but it's okay because their defense came to ball. Okay. All right. So, I mean, you know, no frills. I wonder if it probably has a mirror. Okay. It does have a mirror. And this is a nice neutral palette. Gonna have to keep this one. Blossom Petal, Dawn Suede, Latte Slip, Fawn, Cashmere Haze, and Smoke. This natural lighting that I have beaming in this room is really giving these very good color. It's really showing the colors that are there instead of altering the colors on camera. So these are really pretty. These are very good neutrals. Actually, it's a little lighter here. It's showing a little lighter on camera, but not much. Not much. These are really pretty. I'm not going to touch them because I don't want to mess them up, but this is cute, and it does have a nice little mirror. Wander Beauty. Okay. I think I have something else by them. I want to say it's a blush set. Can't be sure, but let's see. Let me see if I have any good information on here. It is Leaping Bunny approved. I see the Leaping Bunny. This is a neutral palette, so we're going to start with a clean slate. The first ingredient on here is mica. I'm not sure if that's better or... I think we're getting away from talc, so maybe mica is okay. I don't know. We'll see. We are going to scan these on the Yuka app, of course. I'm keeping everything. Nothing's getting given away for now. We'll see. Yuka. I need to have the Yuka app on my homepage. Does this even have a barcode? Oh, yes, it does. Okay, here we go. Okay, not a great thing. Moderate risk for the phenolxylathanol, whatever it's called. It's to keep bacteria from growing. Yes. Okay. The Noto, which has all these seed oils in it. Let's see. Ooh, 86. Excellent for the Noto. Can't wait. I'm excited about that. Now, mascaras typically are not good. I did actually find one that had good ingredients that scanned well on the Yuka app, which I was really surprised at. So I might have to run and get that, give that a try after I go through all these other ones. This was poor. It's a 43 out of 100, so not really surprised about a mascara. Oh, this perfume, actually, the Gloss Modern, scanned at a 66, which is good. Impressive. Okay. And it smells good. Alfalfa Glaze. This is an unknown product, so they don't have Warm Gleam. They don't have this information in here. So what I can do as a premium member for 10 or what is it, $20 a year on the Yuka app, I can give them the list of ingredients, and then they can go ahead and have their people rate it. If I could read it that well, I'd have to like get a picture of it and then magnify it. And do I want to do that? I might. I mean, I just got it. I've got time, right? Okay. So that's my box. That's really nice. And let's go through now. what we've started to do, we as in me, we open the box, we go through the box, we scan the app, we look at the retail price. This box, I think, is like, I want to say it's like $30 or 35 or something like that. So I usually look at the retail price versus what I get in the box to see if it's, worth its weight in money, in coin, worth its money, worth the money. This looks like a full size. This is 1.76 ounces. This is this Seraphim Botanicals Alpha Plus Glaze Hyper Glow Primer. This is a full size. Okay. This full size is okay. Every single product in here is full size except for this perfume because it obviously is a travel size. But this is $52. Wow. Okay. Okay. The full size of this is $65. Is this $65? Because it says full size on everything, which everything seems to be full size. So is this $65? I'm gonna have to look that up. Because really? I mean, the fact that this was 52 as a primer? Okay. Okay, the Noto Botanics Deep Serum. This is full size. This is $36. The mascara obviously is full size. This is $29. And the makeup palette full size obviously is this one, and it is $42. So yes, we are going to look up the Gloss Modern perfume on Google or something because I've never heard of the brand, so I would look on Sephora, but they may not have it. And let's check Sephora, then we'll check Ulta, and let's see, gloss. All these little pop-ups. Gloss Modern. New. Glossier, but no. Okay, so let's try Ulta. And if not, I'll just look online. Gloss Modern. Oops. No, okay. So now we'll check Google. I don't know where they carry that. So we will just keep checking until we find it. And if it knows what I'm checking for, yeah. Internet is very, very creepy. Official site. Okay. If this is $65, how much is this perfume? Like, is this one of those bougie fragrances that I've never heard of because I can't afford it? I mean, what in the world? I'm a little nervous now. Like, I really am. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, so this is probably 65. Which one is this one? The Clean Luxury Eau de Parfum in Nouvelle Amie. Okay. Because they are two something. Okay, perfume, eau de toilette. They have a oil. I'm nervous. Why? I don't know, but I feel like, okay. Yeah, this is okay, so this is $65. Oh my God. Oh, I'm sorry. The regular price of size is, how many milliliters is this? The 60 mil is $270, and this is 0.34 mil. Yeah, so 0.34. This is 10 mil. So yeah, this is $65. This travel spray is $65. Yeah. I was not prepared for that. I was not prepared for that. So basically, we have a $400 box. Oh my 65, 52, 29, and 42. $224 box. That's awesome. That's value for your money, let me tell you. Okay, and everything is really nice. Everything is really good, and I like it a lot. So I really cannot wait to try this. I'm on this. I have this serum right now that I'm using after I wash my face. And I don't know what it's supposed to do, but my face feels great. My skin looks great. And I'm going to have to buy it. I don't know where it was in my box a few months ago from one of these boxes. I don't even know. I have to keep track of that because I've got to know where to find it. But I'm definitely going to put that on my favorites for 2025, which I will do at the end of December 2025. I'm going to have to do this on time next year. But yeah, I love it. And the eye cream is not bad, actually. The eye cream actually goes on better when I put the serum on first. So, yeah, this box was great. $224 later, I paid $35, I think. So that's a pretty good return on investment. Let's check the oil. Okay, I know this is unboxing and all this, but let's go ahead and just see how this feels without spilling it. Is it orange? It is orange. Okay. So it is orange. This is clear. This is a clear bottle. I wasn't sure if the bottle was tinted for some reason. I don't know. Don't judge. We listen and we don't judge. We're going to do one complete drop. Okay. I have something on, so that's what I smell. Oh, it rubs in so nicely. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That went on so well. Wow. I cannot wait to use this. I don't know what it's used for, but I absolutely cannot wait to use this for whatever. Face and neck serum. Wash your face, put on your toner or whatever, put your serum on and move. Oh, yes, I cannot wait. That is lovely. All right, so I'm going to get back to the game. Thank you so much for watching. We're about 3 weeks away, so I'm super excited. Thank you again. I hope you found something you liked that you want to try. If you find out where to buy this, let me know. I'm not going to buy one because obviously I have one, but I do want to know if they have other products because it rated well, and that's important and encouraging. And so did this perfume. So I might have to actually look into that and find out where you can buy them because it looks like it's only online. But I would need to smell them, obviously. So yeah, pretty cool box. Pretty nice. Thank you so much. Peace.